Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Now today we have an exclusive look on our number one development for St. Mary, and that is the Gates of Edgehill. Now this tour will be done by our resident real estate agent, Paulette Bedward. So if you'd like to see what's in store, please go ahead and stick around. Okay, everyone, so the Gates of Edgehill is second to none. They're exclusive membership privileges that will be allotted to its members. This community will offer the ease of resort lifestyle. So, without any further ado, let us hand over to Paulette so that she can fill us in on so much more about the Gates of Edgehill.
Hey guys, it's your Island Realtor here, Paulette Bedwood, and I'm here on site at Gates of Edgehill, about to do a viewing with a client, and I'll take you on for the tour. Just for an hour. Right, so here we have the Elizabeth, and the Elizabeth is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. We'll take a look at the Elizabeth. So it's open concept living and dining. You have your kitchen area. Here we have the master suite. Large bedroom that opens up to the front. We have a nice walk-in closet. And your bathroom for the master. So here we have bedroom number 2. Linen closet. As you can see, the bedrooms are very spacious. Large windows allow for adequate lighting to enter the bedroom area. To the side of the kitchen, there is also a little den that you can use for whether entertainment, a kids play area, or if you want to turn it into an office space. Into the back of the unit you have the washroom, and it's closed. plenty space at the back of your unit.
Okay, everyone, so just some additional information. The Diana is 1,659 square feet, while the Elizabeth is 1,904 square feet. There's also an additional den area that can be used for an office space or kids' play area. With the monthly maintenance fee of 125 US dollars, a part of it actually goes back into community development as they will be contributing financially towards a local primary school. So there's so much to look forward to with the Gates of Edgehill. If you're interested, please go ahead and give Paulette Bedward a call so that she can take care of you. But until my next video, guys, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video in its entirety. Please ensure you're watching those ads. But until my next video, have an amazing day.